My name is Lauren, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Cozy Cactus Goods. We're a skincare company that creates CBD body balms for pain and stress relief. I discovered the benefits of CBD while I was training for my first marathon. I was feeling daily muscle pain and soreness and tried a variety of remedies, including a homemade CBD salve from a friend. It helped so much that a year later, when I was leaving my job in the tech industry, I decided that I wanted to create my own line of CBD body balms that were modern, travel-friendly, looked nice, and fit my lifestyle. The look and feel of our brand was extremely important to me, and using Packlane allowed us to create, design, and order beautiful branded boxes for our products. I love how we're able to customize each side of the box and make the size fit our product perfectly. Packlane made the whole process so easy and convenient and cost-effective, and I'm very excited to see how our designs and packaging grow and evolve using their services.